Good Tuesday morning. Today we will continue the biography presentations at 9:50. I need to split up our one-on-ones over 2 days, so please check the PowerPoint schedule. There's going to be half today and half tomorrow. After our whole group Zoom, I will then start with Julio. He will be the first one at 10:50, so check your schedule. These are the others that I will see via Zoom today. I will see after Julio is Fabiana, then Rihanna, Matthias P, Celia, Noah, Amelia, Farhan, Matthias R, Brianna, and Jose. So check for your time. The IXL diagnostics are for us to see how you as a student has progressed over the year. And it gives us focus areas of skills you should practice. I highly recommend that once you complete the diagnostic, you go back in and practice the suggested skills practice. The following people will need to be completed. They still need to complete. It is Camilo, Emma, Fabiana, Brianna, Sienna, Martina, Paolo, and Isabella. Once you've completed, you can see that when you know that you are completed, that you have completed the diagnostic, you will see stars next to every strand. So if you're wondering, did I finish? If you have stars next to each strand, then you are finished. All right, guys, I will see you in a little while. Have a good day.